the senior advocates, Indira Jaising, has also responded to the Supreme Court verdict. Remember, Indira Jaising is one of the advocates who was representing various public interest litigants. She's gone on to hail the Supreme Court verdict, calls it extraordinary as the court has set aside its own previous judgment. Listen in.
Right now, I'm joined with senior advocate Indira Jaising. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for connecting with us. She is a leading advocate in the Bilkis Bano case as well. Ma'am, Supreme Court has set aside the remission order as well. How do you look at it?
Okay, first I'd like to inform you that I was representing Mahua Mitra, who was one of the petitioners. Now, on the question how I respond to it, I think it's an extraordinary judgment. It's an extraordinary judgment because the court has set aside its own previous judgments. And I would say classically it has done what we call justice. Yes. Now, why do I say it has done justice? Because these convicts were out and their lawyers had argued that don't send them back, even if you decide against them. To this, the two judges, Justice Nagaratna and Justice Bhuyan, both say that yes, the court has the power to do extraordinary justice in Article 142, but in a case like this, when you are undermining the rule of law, there is no question of doing justice. On the contrary, it would really amount to doing injustice. So, as far as my own views are concerned, I feel that this was a case of gang rape in a situation of great communal violence. And no matter which government gives the remission, it ought not to be given. That is my view. But what the court has decided is that the state of Gujarat had no power to give remission. This application should have been made to the state of Maharashtra because the trial took place there and they alone had the power to give remission. And then they've gone on to say this is a case of usurpation of power by the state of Gujarat. And what's more, they've said the state of Gujarat was complicit with the convicts in seeking remission from the state of Gujarat. So it's a very, very important judgment in my view.